Oh God, Chinenye, what have you done to me? What have you done to me?
Give me that kush, give me the white man, give me that ush, give me that single, yeah. Mr. Mali on deck.
So for today's look, I just want to do something colorful. Actually, I sent my sister a message and I told the girl, tell me 4 colors that you like. She said purple, blue, red, and pink. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that. Hello. Anyway, I'm going to try and do the colors, but start up everything. I'm going to use my Plouise base. Looks like this. So for today's palette, I'm going to be using the Slush palette from September Rose Cosmetics. This is how it looks like. Take this deep purple, this one, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Wow, wow. I'm just going to pack that on my crease, just putting that here. Use this red shade here, and I'm going to apply it on top. Oh God, Chinenye, what have you done to me? What have you done to me? I'm just going to apply that on top. Now I'll take this light one. I'll take this light pink, and I'm just going to blend the top of my brows. I'm going to blend this here. Okay. I go back in with my purple. Just pack it in here. Okay. Look up, cut your crease. You just create like a half cut crease. Then I'm going to use the purple and just go in by the sides, press this in and blend it, but I'm going to leave like this space. I'm trying to create a halo look, so that's why I'm doing this. So after blending like this, I'm going to apply this purple shade, this one. So I'm going to spray my brush because I want to pack in the color. I want it to be very obvious in the middle here. Just blend out the edges. So I have this. So I'll do this eye. So now I'm doing my foundation. I've already applied my moisturizer and face primer. I'll just warm it up on my hand with a brush, then apply it. I'm going to blend in everything. After applying my foundation, I'm going to be using the Colourpop concealers. I'm going to use this too. I'll use one to contour my face. And I'll use the other one to highlight.
Stay up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced.
I'm going to blend my contour first.
Make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard.
Then I'll blend out my concealer using another brush. So I'll be taking the Colourpop setting powder in banana, and I'm just going to set my highlighted areas. That is like a yellow powder for women of color.
These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up? Can't help but think back to you.
Then I'll be setting my whole face using my face powder.
Replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard.
So after setting my whole face, I'm going to do my under eyes and fix my lashes, and I'll be right back. So I fixed my lashes now, and I'm going to be using this blush palette. It's from Juvias, please. I'm going to be taking the highlighter in the palette. I'm taking this lighter one. I'm going to highlight my cubes hole, my nose, my cheeks.
Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed.
And I'll also use this pink here and mix it with this one as my blush. Smile and blend it together.
I'm coming